iQOO today confirmed it will launch its next flagship, the iQOO 15, in India in November. The device is set to debut in China on October 20th. As for pricing, the iQOO 15 is expected to launch in India at under 59,999 rupees. iQOO also revealed the color options of the iQOO 15. The smartphone will be available in 4 colors in China, including a model with a color-changing back cover, with white, green, black color, while the back cover sports a squircle-shaped camera island housing 3 cameras and an LED flash. This will have 50MP resolution and will use a 1/1.5 type sensor. The device will also have a 50MP periscope telephoto camera with support for 100x digital zoom. The smartphone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. The phone will also have a Q3 gaming chip, likely to be paired with up to 16GB of RAM and up to 1TB of internal storage. iQOO 15 will be the first to run Origin OS 6 out of the box, paired with up to 12GB RAM and fast USB 3.2 connectivity. iQOO 15 boasts a 6.85-inch QHD Samsung-made AMOLED screen with 144Hz refresh rate and 2600 nit peak brightness. It will also feature a next-gen ultrasonic fingerprint sensor for quicker authentication and a USB 3.2 enabled USB-C port for faster transfers. The phone could also ship with a massive 7000 mAh battery and introduce an 8K vapor chamber cooling system for enhanced thermal performance. The iQOO 15 will debut with wireless charging support alongside IP68/IP69 ratings. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.